Before you even consider scrolling past this, stay with me for a moment because what I'm about to share could completely shift how a woman sees you. Most men never come across this insight. They go through life speaking to women in ways that quietly diminish attraction without ever realizing it. But you're here, which already sets you apart. I'm Sarah Johnson, host of The Female Touch. If you stick with me until the end, I'll give you something practical you can use tonight. Something she'll keep replaying in her mind long after your conversation ends. So pause for a second, stay focused, and if you haven't already, like this video and subscribe. And tell me, where are you watching from? Drop it in the comments below. Let me share something from a woman who studies human behavior for a living. Women don't fantasize about men who try too hard. They respond to men who understand how to engage emotional curiosity in the right way. Compliments can be powerful, but only when they touch something deeper, something she doesn't openly reveal. Here's where most men go wrong. Their compliments are predictable, surface level, and forgettable. You're beautiful, nice hair, pretty eyes. Do you know what those do? Nothing lasting. They fade instantly. Every man says them. They carry no depth, no emotional weight, no lasting impression. But when a compliment feels personal, unexpected, and meaningful, something shifts in her mind. She doesn't just hear it, she feels it. It stays with her. It loops. And that loop is what she lies awake thinking about later. Men often underestimate how deeply women process language. A woman's emotional mind becomes engaged when a man notices something she didn't think anyone else saw. Society says women are complicated, but in reality, they're simply more emotionally attuned than most men are taught to recognize. When you learn to speak in emotional language instead of focusing only on appearance, you unlock a reaction within her, one she may not even fully understand herself. There are 3 specific compliments that trigger this response. Once you understand them, you won't go back to shallow interactions. These aren't pickup lines or manipulative tricks. They're genuine observations expressed in a way that reaches something she protects carefully. And yes, when used naturally, she will think about you, revisit your words, and imagine more. Before I share the first one, you need to understand why it works. Because if you repeat words without the right energy behind them, they lose their effect. Women don't respond to phrases, they respond to the feeling you create. It's about noticing something others miss. Here's the first compliment. I love the way your mind works. When you say this, everything inside her pauses. Her thoughts, her defenses, even her breath. You're not focusing on her looks, her smile, or her body. Things she hears all the time. You're acknowledging something deeper, something she's built over years, something she values. Women don't crave constant physical validation. They crave emotional recognition. When you comment on how her mind works, you're speaking directly to her identity. Most men say, "You're smart," but that's vague. It doesn't stick. When you specifically appreciate her perspective, her thinking, her creativity, her intuition, it feels personal. It feels real. Women are drawn to men who make them feel understood, not evaluated. And here's the key. Women are attracted to men who spark their imagination. When your words make her think, really think, she begins replaying conversations, revisiting moments, analyzing what you meant. That reflection creates an emotional loop, one that brings her back to you again and again. A woman wants to feel that someone sees the part of her she doesn't show easily. When you say, "I love the way your mind works," you're acknowledging that hidden layer. And that's something she won't forget. If a compliment sparks curiosity, warmth, and imagination all at once, it plants a seed. This one does exactly that. It's subtle, meaningful, and psychologically powerful. Now, the second compliment goes even deeper because it touches the place where many women feel misunderstood. Every woman carries a private inner world. Thoughts she doesn't voice, fears she masks with humor, dreams she's hesitant to share. When a man connects with that space in the right way, she doesn't just relax, she opens. Here it is. There's something about your energy that stays with me. To a man, this might sound poetic. To a woman, it feels significant. Women often wonder how they come across to others. They question whether they're too much, not enough, or easily forgotten. When you tell her her energy lingers with you, you're telling her she's made an impact without trying. You're not commenting on her looks or even her personality. You're recognizing something more subtle, her presence, her essence. That creates a powerful emotional response. It tells her she's not just another interaction, she's memorable. And here's where it becomes compelling. The moment you say this, her mind starts searching. What exactly did he notice? What moment? What detail? That curiosity fuels emotional engagement. Women want to feel unforgettable. They want to leave a mark without effort, and this compliment tells her she already has. Its strength lies in its simplicity. You're not over-explaining. You're leaving space for her imagination. A quiet mystery she'll revisit later, especially when she's alone. She'll think about your tone, your timing, the way you said it, and the more she thinks, the stronger the emotional connection becomes. A woman's imagination is central to attraction, and this opens that door effortlessly. Now, the third compliment moves her into a deeper emotional space, one rooted in fascination, not obsession, not neediness, but genuine emotional pull, the kind that keeps her awake replaying moments that unexpectedly mattered. Here it is. I feel calmer when I talk to you. She may enjoy being called beautiful or interesting, but when you tell her she brings you calm, you're showing her she has a deeper emotional influence. Women naturally want to be a source of peace for someone they care about, not to fix them, but because connection is built through emotional presence. When you say this, it tells her she's more than exciting. She's grounding. More than someone you notice, she's someone you return to. And emotionally aware, women feel this deeply, because calm is rare, especially today. Women understand the silent pressures men carry. When you express that her presence brings you ease, you're revealing something genuine, something most people never see. That creates emotional intimacy. It feels safe, real, honest, and that sense of safety sparks something powerful. She begins imagining what it would feel like to be closer to you, not just physically, but emotionally. Now she knows she affects you on a deeper level. That influence matters, and that's the kind of connection women value most. What makes this even stronger is that it doesn't come across as weak or needy. It shows emotional awareness, confidence in expressing something real. When a woman realizes she brings you peace, she doesn't forget it. She reflects on it. She replays it. Now that you understand these three compliments, here's what matters most. This isn't about memorizing lines. It's about recognizing what they represent. You're speaking to three core parts of her identity: her mind, her presence, and her emotional impact. Most men are taught to focus on physical attraction first. But for women, emotional connection often comes before physical attraction fully develops. A man becomes more attractive when she feels safe in his presence, not just physically, but emotionally. These compliments work because they reflect depth. They show awareness. They communicate that you're paying attention beyond the surface. And when a woman replays your words, she starts associating those feelings with you. That emotional imprint stays. You don't need to be overly smooth or performative. You just need to speak with sincerity and clarity. Women aren't looking for perfection. They're looking for resonance. That moment where something you say feels real. But there's one more thing you need to understand. Words alone aren't enough. It's the environment you create around those words, your tone, your presence, your timing, that makes them unforgettable. Don't rush these moments. Don't throw them out casually. Say them like they're simply true. Because a woman can instantly sense when you're trying too hard and just as quickly when you're being genuine. These compliments work because they don't seek validation. They express observation. That shift from trying to impress her to truly seeing her is what sets you apart. Attraction grows through connection, not pressure. When she feels understood without being analyzed, she's drawn in naturally. And remember this, emotional influence comes from presence, not performance. Speak calmly. Be grounded. Let your words carry intention. Because in the end, Women remember how you made them feel far longer than what you said. And when your words and your presence align, you become unforgettable. So use these insights with authenticity, not to manipulate, but to connect. Because when you do, you become the man she remembers, the one she compares others to, the one she thinks about when everything is quiet. And if you want more insights like this, real psychology, real depth, real tools that actually improve your connections, make sure you like this video and subscribe. You're just beginning to understand how powerful communication can be when you learn to speak in a way that truly resonates.